Yes, Papa?
You interrupted the story. Try not to get so involved.
Oh, I'm sorry, Papa, but she really was a witch.
Well, you're supposed to be relaxing so you can fall asleep.
Let's try another story. I'll be good.
Okay. Little Red Riding Hood. Oh. Take this basket of goodies to Grandmother, said Little Red Riding Hood's mother, but don't stray from the path. The woods are full of danger. Red Riding Hood skipped along through the deep woods. By and by, she met a wolf who wished her good morning. She was about to answer him when
out jumped a little red chicken and she said, "Don't talk to strangers!" So the little red chicken didn't. The Little Red Riding Hood didn't. The end.
Chicken.
Yes, Papa.
You did it again. You interrupted 2 stories, and you're not even sleepy.